Hey everyone, back at the Thumpstar workshop, another parts information video. This one we're going to be doing is bash plates. So pretty straightforward, it's probably not too much to show. I'm just going to explain the two differences. These are the two types of bash plates you can get. These ones are quite good, they're just basic. They cover what you need to cover. They do kind of miss out the front of your motor. But generally when you go and hit a rock, it's up in there that it gets it. So this is just a simple bash plate, pretty inexpensive. So I'm going to give you a measurement. So the width from mounting point to mounting point is 14 centimeters, and then the length is 20.5 centimeters. So one thing to note when you do install a bash plate is put your bolts in, but don't tighten them up. And then once you've got everything, all the bolts in and all exactly where you want it, tighten your bolts up at the end. And then you're good to go. So the next one we're going to talk about is your, this is probably your bash plate that's on 95% of your bikes. It's, it's the most common bash plate you're going to get. You can get them in alloy or steel. I personally recommend the thicker metal the better, because especially you can get some real thin ones, and what can happen is if you've got like a 150 motor and it revs out quite hard, it can end up cracking across here. So just try and get yourself a good thick decent quality one. I mean, steel or alloy doesn't matter, just got to be good quality one like the Thumpstar ones. Or you can also get the ones that have a fold. If you have a look at this Thumpstar here, see this is a steel one, but it's actually got a fold here which helps stop that vibration and cracking across the bottom, because you don't want it cracking there, because it just doesn't look good at all, and it starts making, before it cracks, it starts vibrating a lot. So if you're going to get one, try and get one with a fold like the Thumpstars have. So I'll give you some measurements of this bash plate. So the mounting point is, this one is 11 centimeters, and the total length is 33.5. So what you're probably thinking is, watching this video, is obviously this one here has a lot wider mounting point. So, and you're obviously thinking, oh, it's not going to fit. That's obviously for two different bikes, but no, the fact is they're actually both for the same. You can use them for the same bikes. But what you have in this one is you'd put a spacer in there. So when you buy it, it should come with a spacer. Another measurement we're going to show you is where it mounts onto your foot peg mounts and into your engine. So the screws or bolts will come through here and then go through your foot peg mounts or your frame, and then into the bottom of your engine. So we're going to do an eye to eye measurement, which is 9 centimeters, and this is all the generic universal sort of Series 50 engine mounts. So they're all the same, and as you can see, this one here, see, it's exactly the same, 9 centimeters. The great thing about this one being slotted is, it makes it quite nice to fit. Yeah, that's pretty much it on bash plates. We can just give you some weights if you want to see a rough how much each one of these weighs. This one's made of steel, that weighs 53.7 grams. This one here is made of aluminium, and it only weighs 37 grams. So yeah, hope that helped you guys out, and thanks for watching.